Kia ora, off-grid native. This little fella got caught down the bush the other day, and we're going to use him up here, make him our pet, tamed him down, and you're going to get him to eat all of this black-eyed Susan here. Take out there, as you can see, there's quite a bit of it. But first day and he's already on the job, but you can see on his ears and that he's got quite a lot of wounds, just from ticks and fleas and living hard in the bush. So gonna run him make him a bit of a rongoa bath and clean him up. We've got some rosemary, those are for the fleas. We've got some kumarahau, been dried, and that is for all of the wounds and that on the ears. And this is our kawakawa, and that's for the wounds on the ears, any general health, and also for the fleas as well. Once this gets boiling, we'll leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. It's important to make a strong burning fire. A weak or smouldering fire will not get the bath up to the correct temperature. Here's all our rongoa that's been boiling. Now it's ready to go. Got a bit of steam coming off this, and now we're going to chuck in a bit of Epsom salts. This is our bath board for things to stand on, so you're not standing on the heat. And we'll chuck in our rongoa. So we've got all our medicine in there, our kawakawa, our rosemary, kumarahau. One way is I just put it in the pot, and it just allows it all to heat up and boil and get a lot of the goodness out of it. Now if this is for the goat, I've got to add a lot of cold water to that because that'll be way too hot, and that'll bring the water level up. So another good tip is just to start with a little bit of water and then add your water, and that works a lot better, because if you have it full up to here, it's a lot of mass to try and heat up in one go. There's always a process of giving and receiving, and it's my job to give back to this young guy and restore him to his best health. Koha atu koha mai, mauri atu mauri mai. There they are, all tucked up, ready for bed.